Hi, I'm RWoodruff with BISH'S RV here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we get to talk about a very fresh trade. It's a 2019 Renegade Verona LE 40 LRB. Well, that's a mouthful, isn't it? This has got the Cummins ISL engine. It's a big engine. It's got the MH 3000 transmission, 6-speed. Dual fuel tanks. There's a lot to go over with this coach. We're going to do a quick overview. If you have any questions about it, give me a call. I can give you the rest of the information, but I want to keep this video less than an hour long, so quick overview. Full body paint, side cameras, big storage, big engine, big transmission. It's got the 8,000 watt generator by Onan Cummins, mid-entry, keyless entry. It's got the big tires. Everything about this rig is big and beautiful. It's a 40-foot. It's got the big tow package on it. I believe this is a 20,000 pound tow back here, so it'll tow whatever you want. Most of the Renegades were white. This is a full body paint. It's got power hose reels. It's got power water hose reel, power cord reel. Here's that big generator. It is the 8,000 watt. It has automatic hydraulic leveling, nice clean plumbing service bay, 2 bathrooms, but we'll get into that inside. Here's some of that bigger storage area. The little stuff back there is where all the plumbing and everything is. But it just goes on. It has the big batteries, okay? It has the big inverter. It's a 2,800 watt inverter. Nice, insulated, solid built, great coach. Let's go inside where it's a little quieter. Just the seats alone on this are pretty incredible. That's better. So inside, starting up here in the cab, it's on the Freightliner. This has got the 8-way power seats that are heated. We just got this in literally just the other day. Great coach. Tilt steering, tow package, power windows, trailer backup camera, automatic hydraulic leveling. Here's all of our readouts, automatic gen start. It's just a very impressive vehicle. It's got the big residential fridge with the auto gen start, so you don't have to worry about the refrigerator running your batteries down. The batteries get low, the generator will automatically start, charge your batteries up. Theater seating. Love those theater seats, very comfortable. Solid surface countertops here in the kitchen. Convection microwave. Class C with induction cooking. Just the way everything feels. You can feel how solid this coach is built. Big TV, satellites already on the roof. Booth dinette. This coach will sleep 4. We've got a half bath here in the forward half of the coach. Right across from the entry door, which is, you know, when you've had a few soda pops and you need to run in there quick, it's just straight in, right into the bathroom. So don't go running too fast. Big king size bed back here in the master bedroom. Lots of storage back here. It's got the washer and dryer. Real cherry wood construction. It's just a really well impressive built unit. Okay. Back here in the back, we have our master bathroom. Big corner shower with a seat built in. It's got the full porcelain toilet, medicine cabinet and plugs, you know, all that stuff that it always has. Sliding pocket doors for privacy. You know, there's so much to really go over with this coach. got the new controls. I like these new controls. They're not intrusive. They're very easily to see. They're easy to operate. You see exactly what you're doing. You don't have to try to figure out, what does that button do? Like so many coaches. I'm Roger Woodruff with BISH'S RV here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. It's a real quick overview on this coach. It's very complicated. There's a lot of stuff here in it to give you that enjoyable weekend that you want. Thank you and have a great day.